Now we can move to one of the most important sections in our form, which is the EU data. When you click on the EU data, you will see two main sections, the Earth observation data wishlist and the currently used EU data. In the Earth observation data wishlist, we are targeting here the Earth observation providers and the future mission planners. On the wish list, you will find the four main Earth observation data: the optical, the SAR, which is a radar, passive microwave, and the thermal data. We'll start by optical data. Here you can fill the approximately start date of the acquisition that you wish to have and the last date. Also the spatial resolution, the temporal frequency, and the level of expertise that you are working with the data. If you are a beginner for this type, or an intermediate experience, or you are an expert. The latency of data delivery of the downloading or the downloading availability. If you wish to have the image 1 to 5 days after it is acquired, or 5 to 15 days, or more than 15 days. If you judge that you face challenges with this type of data, please describe it in this area. The same if you choose the SAR data, you will click on it and then you will fill the start and end date, the spatial resolution, the temporal frequency, the frequency of the data, like which bands you are looking to have, the incidence angle, polarizations, level of processing, and then the orbit or the direction of the acquisition, either ascending or descending. Also your level of expertise and the latency of the delivery. Same section for the challenges. You need to describe here if you are facing any kind of challenges with this type of data. You have also the passive microwave. Basically the same type of information that we are looking for: the start date, the end date, the spatial resolution, the temporal frequency, the level of expertise, and the latency of data delivered and the challenges. Same as for the thermal data. Here are the dates, the resolutions, and the frequency, and the wavelengths, and the level of expertise, latency of delivery, and the challenges. On the other hand, the currently used Earth observation. In this section, you need to provide which type of Earth observation data currently you have it in your inventory. So you will add a row, and from here you will select the type of sensor that you are working with. For example, you are working with Sentinel. So you will start to type Sentinel, which type of Sentinel you are working with, let's say Sentinel-2. And then you will provide the data. Don't specify exactly the date, it will look for the months, and obviously it's an old data, it's currently available with you. So let's say from Jan 2017, and pick just one day to fix the date, and then you have it to August, for example, in 2018. So you select here, and then it's gonna be the end of August. So it will only capture the months that you are starting with your collection and the last months. Let's say you have a number of images, let's say 150 images, and then any further details like the type of data, for example, the angles, the level of processing, and so on. Once you are done, if you have another type of sensor, you will start by add a row, and then you will fill this section again as we did on the top. If you are not happy, you will remove this row and you move forward. don't forget to save draft.